Hi guys, in this video I want to create a nice video like this using LTX video of the wolf chasing a cat. Okay, let's go. Okay, first thing first, go to template and search for LTX video. Okay, I'm gonna use this version, LTX video Image-to-Video. Download this from this link. You can download like that. I already downloaded, or you can use the EDM to download. Okay, use the EDM to download this version. And folder, this one. Okay, after that, let's open my ComfyUI folder. Okay, refresh the page. Okay, checkpoints. We'll add this to the checkpoints. Okay, go here to ComfyUI. After going to ComfyUI, search for models. Okay, open checkpoints. And let's go here on models. Paste this one right here. And let's see. Reload the page. Okay, those like notice we have to download this LTX that I downloaded previously, and you can download this file T5XZ. Okay, for the first one, add the title, and second one added to the clip. What is the clip? Okay, let's go here to ComfyUI. Models. The text encoded added right here. Let's download 90 gigabytes. Okay, I already have this file. Can use it now. Let's download an image. Go to the search for what. For example, this wolf. Save image as from here. Choose and upload this file. Okay, let's download. Let's go ahead to ChatGPT. Create prompt for video of red wolf chasing a cat. Okay, this is the prompt. Copy it and I'll be right here. Okay, for the video, the length in 141 frames. Okay, let's turn it. It takes around 3 minutes to create this video, but the quality is not good from the image as a reference. Okay, thank you guys for watching this or for this video.